So the number one is a crying kid. I think the number one is not sentence, but is it praise? And then I think non praise. So non praise-nya ini turun determine dengan adjective praise. Determine-nya turun and then adjective praise-nya ini turun lagi ke adjective and then noun. Adjective-nya crying and then noun-nya kid. Okay, the next, number 2, see a kid in the playground. In the playground. I think the number 2 is not sentence. The same is number 1, praise. So is it noun praise? Noun praise-nya dibagi ke noun praise dengan verb praise. Noun praise-nya turun verb and then NP. Verbnya turun see and then noun praise-nya turun determine and then noun. Determine-nya and then noun-nya kid. So verb praise itu NP and then PP. So is it PP? No, verb praise, sorry. So NP-nya ini turun NP sama PP. NP-nya turun verb dan and then NP. So verbnya C and then NP-nya turun lagi determine and then noun. Determine-nya turun and then noun-nya turun kid. Okay, the next PP commands is non praise. PP prepositional praise and then NP. Ini NP and then P-nya the and P determine and then noun. Determine-nya ini in dan si ini in, sorry, is it in and then so the number 2, the sentence is see a kid in the playground. I think is not sentence but NP, same is the number 1, NP praise. So NP-nya ini turun ke NP dengan PP. NP-nya turun lagi verb and then noun praise. Verbnya C and then noun praise-nya turun lagi determine and then noun. Determine-nya and then noun-nya kid. And the next PP turun P and then noun praise. P-nya in and then noun praise-nya turun lagi determine and then noun. So determine-nya the and then noun-nya playground. The next is number 3. So the number 1 I think is it sentence because I-nya ini, jadi nanti sentence-nya ini dibagi 2. I-nya ini NP noun and then C sampai office ini nanti verb praise. So let me see. Sentence dibagi ke NP. VP, sorry, VP, is it VP, verb praise, and then is it NP, NP-nya turun noun, and then turun lagi ke I, and then verb praise-nya turun, verb praise, and then noun praise, verb praise-nya turun noun, and then noun praise, nounnya turun C, and then noun praise-nya dibagi lagi jadi determine and then noun. Determine-nya a, and then nounnya kid. And then NP-nya I think turun ke adjective phrase, terus turun adjective, terus turun crying. Sorry, berdekatan. And then ini turun prepositional phrase. After that turun lagi phrase and then NP. NP-nya turun, ini turun NP, and then ini turun PP. Terus NP-nya turun lagi, determine sama noun. Determine-nya in, and then noun-nya playground. Turun playground. And then PP-nya turun P, praise, and then NP. Praise-nya near, and then NP-nya turun determine, and then noun. Determine-nya my, and then noun-nya office. Okay, down. The next, number 4. Number 4, my father sees that and beautiful. So the same is number 3. Number 4, I think sentence. Let me see. Sentence dibagi ke NP and then verb phrase. NP-nya turun determine dengan noun. Determine-nya my, noun-nya father. And then verb phrase-nya turun verb, and then NP. Verb-nya says, NP-nya turun ke complement. So that I think is complement. Complement turun that, and then ini turun sentence. I think jadi kalau ada that berarti itu komplement. Terus kalau komplement itu pasti ada sentence lagi turun. Jadi NP-nya ini dibagi ke komplement turun that, and then sentence ini turun NP dengan VP. NP-nya turun, oh no, sorry, I think NP turun ke noun, and then noun turun ke I, and then verb phrase-nya turun verb, and then adjective phrase. Verbnya I'm, and then adjective phrase harus turun lagi jadi adjective, terus baru kita tulis beautiful. So beautiful, and then the next, number 3. So number 3 same like number 5, same like number 3, and then number 4. Is it sentence? So let me see. Ini that the teacher believe that. So sentence turun NP. NP turun determine, and then noun. Determine turun the, nounnya turun teacher, and then verb phrase turun ke verbnya believe, and then di sampingnya NP turun lagi ke complement, and then sentence. Yang seperti kayak nomor 4 tadi, kalau ada that berarti itu complement, sedangkan complement itu pasti diikuti dengan sentence. So NP ini turun ke complement dengan sentence. Complementnya that, and then sentence ini dibagi lagi ke NP dengan verb phrase VP. NP-nya turun determine and then noun. Determine-nya her, and then noun-nya students, and then verb phrase turun ke verb turun lagi NP. Verbnya itu understand, gimana itu, understand, and then NP turun ke noun, and then noun turun syntax. Okay, there. So I think there's now